Here we're going to show how to enter into the device, in this case the AP10 intelligent display. We'll show how to change the decimal place, the target window from 5 to 1, then finally the display orientation so that we can see the display spun through 180 degrees. This would allow the display to read more easily on a horizontal shaft instead of a vertical shaft. Firstly, the decimal place is changed from 0 to 1. Then the target window from 5 to 1, so that the final positioning is more accurate. Then finally the display orientation from 180 to 0 for installation to horizontal shafts instead of the vertical. Always remember to save any changes. When we look at the intelligent display, we will see the digits are upside down and the decimal point is added. On the home screen, press Settings, then Device Manager. The HMI then scans the bus for devices connected. You will see that up to 31 devices can be connected to the bus. In this case, you will see that 7 devices are active on the bus. Axis 1 is the intelligent display AP10, with a further 6 axes 2 through to 7, which are intelligent drives. Change the axis position via the HMI. At the home screen, press Axis Positioning. In this case, we will select Axis 4. Here we can see the current actual position value of -5,000. We are going to enter in a new position value at -1,000. We then transfer this value to the device, and you will see by the red circle now shown that the axis is not in position. Then when we press the start to move the axis to the new position, you will see the actual value changing. We can at any time during positioning stop the axis, and again start the axis until it reaches the required position. From the home screen, press Settings, followed by Recipe Editing. Then we go to add a new recipe. This we will call Siko Demo 2. We will enter an instruction to change tool, which is a reminder for the operator to do this task before positioning begins. We have previously adjusted each axis to the required position for the new recipe, and a great function of the HMI is the teach-in routine. Simply by pressing the teach-in button, all of the current axis position values are transferred to its recipe. What we would like to show here is how to set the address on the intelligent actuator. Press the center star button till the display counts down to show para in the display. This allows you to enter the programming mode. Press the star button again to see PIN in the display. Press the star button again and you will see para in the display. Press the left button on the device and the bottom display will change from quit to bus. Enter the center star button to access the bus address parameter. You will see this device is set to ID 4, which is address 4. Change this to example ID 14. Press the left button to move across digits, the right button to increase to 14. Now, how to set the address on the AP10. Press down on the button marked with a horizontal arrow as shown. Initially you will see the current ID address number, in this case it is 1, and the current transmission rate of 57.6 kilobaud. Release the button and the first digit will flash. Then use the arrow across or arrow up to change the digit to the ID address required. To register the change by pressing the center star button, which will store the change.